We are at Prince William County Fairgrounds and we're here for Farm Field Days. Farm Field Days is our big event that we hold every year in the fall. So in the soils barn, they'll be doing stuff on erosion. In the trees barn, they'll be learning about what a tree is and why it's important. In H2Go Kids Barn, they'll be learning about where their water comes from and where it goes. In the Bees Barn, they'll be learning about pollinators. And then in the Animals Barn, they get to meet some animals.
So far, I learned the regions of Virginia and a lot about the animals.
Today, I learned sheep only have one set of teeth. I had a lot of fun, and I want to go here again.
It's important to have farm field days because we are teaching the kids about their natural resources and how to conserve them.
You know, a lot of our students haven't been to a farm, or they haven't been able to see, where the animals grow and how we work with the animals and the plants and the crops that we use to create many of the products that we buy in the grocery store. So it's great to have kids experience these new things that they haven't been able to have an opportunity to do before.